Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos. Hi guys, we'll be having Aditya Narayan joining us in just a few minutes. So the fun part is, do you have your funny bunch of questions ready for him? Because I have a game ready for Aditya, and let's see how well can he play that game.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, yeah. As good as we can be, I guess.
I know, but how is the quarantine treating you? Are you getting your much needed rest in the house or no?
Life is all right. It's okay. Yes, we have a lot of free time. I agree. But, you know, with everything that's happening outside in our country and the world, rest करने का time बहुत है, but rest करने का मन नहीं करता है. Let me put it that way. So, not that, I'm not complaining. 7-8 घंटे सो के I agree, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है आजकल. It's a luxury, definitely.
Yeah.
और I think you and me are also very fortunate क्योंकि हम घर पे हैं. We have a roof over our heads. हम AC में बैठे हैं. हम दिन में 3 बार खाना खाते हैं. So, at such times, I feel immense gratitude towards God for giving us this life and, making us live a happy, normal life. बहुत सारे लोग हैं मेरे शहर में, मेरे देश में, जिनको ये सब सुविधाएं नहीं मिल रही हैं. So my heart goes out to them. Immense. I keep them in my prayers and I give them a lot of love and whatever जो कुछ भी मैं अपने तरफ से कर पा रहा हूँ to contribute to their well-being, I'm doing, and I urge all our Indian brothers and sisters कि आपसे जो कुछ भी हो सके, please do your bit. It doesn't have to be crores of rupees or lakhs of rupees. It doesn't even have to be money. It can be simple things like, I'll give you a very simple example. हमारा जो हमारी सोसाइटी है, यहाँ पर जो वॉचमैन है, जो स्टाफ है, वो क्वारंटीन, जब तक क्वारंटीन है वो यही बिल्डिंग में रहते हैं. So they are not going back home. And as a gesture of gratitude, what we are doing is कि क्योंकि हमारी 3 बिल्डिंग्स हैं और all of them are I think 20-25 floors. तो हर एक दिन एक परिवार या एक घर household is providing all 3 meals to all our 40-50 staff members. So little things like these, you don't even have to give them 3 meals, give them 1 meal. या आप घर पे कुछ भी एक डिश पकाकर आपकी सोसाइटी के workers को खिला सकते हैं. You can donate kits to doctors, nurses, जो PP kits आते हैं.
Yes.
There's a lot of ways you can make a difference, and it doesn't all have to do with money. So please do your 2 bits.
Well, on the same note, Aditya, yesterday my mother actually shared, she made a mask because outside when they went to buy a mask, they couldn't buy one. And it was super costly. So she made one for herself as a tester. And then she shows me and she's like, I'll be making a few pieces और जो हमारे ये कचरा वचरा उठाने वाले आते हैं, I'll be giving it to them. So I was like,
that's amazing.
The gesture
Yeah,
is all in your heart. Like,
yes, this is exactly what I'm talking about. The little things, they matter. And हम हर चीज के लिए अपनी गवर्नमेंट पे बिल नहीं फाड़ सकते हैं ना यार, कि गवर्नमेंट ये कर रही है, वो नहीं कर रही है. वी आर 130 करोड़ पीपल एंड अगर हमारे देश में 80 करोड़ डेली वेज वर्कर्स हैं तो करीब करीब 55 करोड़ नॉन डेली वेज वर्कर्स भी हैं. So, it's time for these 55 crore people to contribute to the rest of the 80 crore people that are suffering. And touch wood, we are a loving country. We understand a lot of things. That's great. The rest of the world is praising us and how we are tackling and dealing with this situation given our population and given our resources. So, and honestly, यार हमारे दुनिया ने बहुत सारी चीजें देखी हैं. हमने 2 वर्ल्ड वॉर्स देखे हैं. हमने ऐसे बहुत सारे पैंडेमिक्स देखे हैं. We've come out of it not just surviving but thriving, and I'm sure that we will come out of this as well with a smile on our face, and everything will resume back to normal like this never happened.
I can assure that will happen. But on the slighter note, how much are you missing the shoot life? How much are you missing your gym life? Your meeting your friends and being with them? कितना मिस कर रहे हो? Shooting कितना मिस कर रहे हो?
So shoot, I'm not really missing that much क्योंकि मैंने मार्च में ही अनाउंस किया था कि मैं 6 महीने का ब्रेक ले रहा हूँ टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री से, क्योंकि मैंने ऑलरेडी जो मेरे फोर्थ कमिंग शोज हैं अक्टूबर ऑनवर्ड्स, मैंने 3 शोज साइन करके रखे हुए हैं ऑलरेडी.
Okay.
So I know that starting October, I'm working on TV for another year and a half at least. So I'd taken this 6 month gap to work on my music and to work on my music videos and to practice my music more regularly and just dedicate more time to my craft. So that way it things fell into place because मैंने मैंने फेब एंड में ये अनाउंस किया और मार्च में ये पैंडेमिक हो गया. तो इन अ वे मैंने छुट्टी ली तो पूरी दुनिया ने मेरे साथ छुट्टी ले ली. But obviously I didn't want it to be like this.
Yes.
So yeah, in terms of shoot, I'm all right. I had already mentally made up my mind that अब मैं सीधा अक्टूबर में सितंबर या अक्टूबर में काम करूंगा. दोस्तों को मैं लोगों को I'm just missing humans यार. I'm missing other human beings. If this was a normal situation, we wouldn't be talking on a live platform,
Yes.
you from your house and me from, we would be at home, we would shake hands, probably hug, and we would talk to people sitting next to each other. And so that's something that I miss, human interaction. And I would also like to add कि मैं actually मैं अपने bachelor pad पे अटक गया हूँ. So I'm not with my parents and with my family.
Okay.
Because as you all know that 12th अप्रैल को मेरा नया सिंगल रिलीज हुआ है, मैं डूबा रहा हूँ. और मैं उससे रिलेटेड कुछ काम कर रहा था. तो मैं यहाँ पे मेरा स्टूडियो है, छोटा सा सेटअप है. तो मैं करीब शाम के 6-7 बजे आया और 8 बजे मोदी सर ने अनाउंस किया कि 12 बजे रात से लॉकडाउन है. और मैंने जब तक फोन चेक किया तब तक रात के 3:30-4 बज गए थे. So by the time I realized that there is a lockdown, the lockdown had already been implemented. The curfew had already been implemented. और मुझे पुलिस के डंडे खाने का कोई शौक नहीं है और ना ही मुझे जेल जाने का कोई शौक है. And more importantly, मम्मी पापा के साथ मेरी दादी भी रहती हैं और वो 102 साल की हैं. So you know, I obviously हम ये पढ़ते हैं कि it affects older people all the more. So I just wanted to be safe and I said कोई बात नहीं. So I'm here with my Labrador. Her name is April. और मेरे शोफर हैं जो अब मेरे दोस्त हैं. मतलब उनके भी माँ बाप को उन्होंने घर पे भेज दिया और वो अपने चौल में रह रहे थे. तो मैं बोला इससे अच्छा आप घर पे रह लो, मेरे को कंपनी भी मिल जाएगी. So I'm actually stuck here almost all alone. तो ये जो घर के जो काम है, जो झाड़ू पोता और साफ सफाई और मेरी डॉग को नहलाना या खाना पकाना, ये सब हम मिल बांट के कर रहे हैं. So yeah, I'm missing everybody. I'm missing family. I'm missing my friends. I'm missing I'm missing even the plumber and the electrician क्योंकि मेरे रूम का एसी खराब हो गया. 10 दिन हो गए हैं, उसका गैस खत्म हो गया. अगर ये नॉर्मल लाइफ होती तो मेरा एसी आधे घंटे में ठीक हो जाता, बट अब मुझे पंखे में सोना पड़ता है रात को. But it is what it is, यार. You know, we are all doing our two bits and ensuring that we contain this as much as we can and end this as soon as we can. और staying in touch with friends like this only, जैसे आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, through applications, Instagram हो गया या WhatsApp हो गया और FaceTime हो गया. अभी कुछ नए नए ऐप्स आए हैं, Zoom और हाउस पार्टी करके कुछ ऐप्स हैं जिसपे आप गेम्स भी खेल सकते हैं और कुछ ऐसे 7-8 लोग. तो हमने बहुत सारे बर्थडेज मनाए हैं इन ऐप्स पे. उनके घर पे केक कट रहा है और हम यहाँ से गा रहे हैं. So I think social distancing and also I'm very thankful to technology यार, क्योंकि अगर ये हमारे साथ कुछ 20-30 साल पहले हुआ होता तो we would have not been in touch. We would have actually been in isolation and I think half of us would have gone mad.
It would actually have been like the real Big Boss house. Real Big Boss house.
This is the true OG Big Boss बोलते हैं ना, the original
No,
Big Boss.
This is not, because ideally you have your phones, you get to see time and everything, but the real Big Boss would have been those basic phones जिनसे आप normally call करते हो, एक limited period of time तक ही बात कर सकते हो क्योंकि rates बहुत high हैं and then you can't video call, you can't meet.
बिल्कुल. Thankfully our actual Big Boss is kinder than TV वाले Big Boss. He has a bigger heart.
If I talk about that, I have followed your Saregama ki journey. I have followed your, as a contestant, as a singer, and then as a host ka journey. What do you miss out of the three of them, and which is the most favorite moment for you?
I am a musician, so everything मैं जो कुछ भी करता हूँ, it stems out of the fact that I am a musician. But I think along with being a musician over the years, through television and through all these various shows, I think I have become a bit of an entertainer. So
Yeah.
I sing, I dance, मैं comedy भी कर लेता हूँ, मैं खतरों का सामना भी कर लेता हूँ. और I feel very blessed to have uh, been given all these opportunities to showcase my various aspects of my personality. Not a lot of people get these opportunities, so thank you to everybody जिसने मुझे काम दिया है. मैं ये भी आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि the year 2020 marks me completing 25 years in the film, TV and music industry.
Wow, congratulations.
So थैंक यू. सो मुझे 25 साल हो गए हैं काम करते हुए. माय फर्स्ट सॉन्ग्स रिलीज इन 1995 व्हिच वाज अकेले हम अकेले तुम एंड रंगीला. So yeah, not a lot of people can say that at 31-32 साल की उम्र में. I don't think a lot of people can say that they've been working for 25 years. So I feel truly blessed. और मैं definitely I'm missing putting out more music क्योंकि we had a lot of जैसा मैंने आपको बताया कि मैं अपने संगीत और म्यूजिक वीडियोस पे काम करने के लिए ही मैंने ये ब्रेक लिया था 6 महीने का. तो जिसमें से मेरे ऑलमोस्ट 2 महीने अब जा चुके हैं. March or April has gone. Thankfully, I was able to put out मैं डूबा रहूं during this time
Yes.
because we had shot this music video earlier. So I'm missing working on my music because मेरा almost album in terms of idea level complete हो चुका है. और मेरे 8 गानों में से चार गाने complete हो चुके हैं, correct? So मेरी आधी album अभी pending है. So as soon as the lockdown is over, I would like to get together with my band and start putting the finishing touches on the album. So the album releases on my birthday on the 6th of August.
Oh, you're an August born? Okay.
Yeah, I'm a Leo.
High five. I'm also a Leo.
Oh, really? When's your birthday?
14th.
Oh, lovely, lovely. One of my best friends is born on the 14th, Sunidhi Chauhan.
Oh, wow. Oh, nice. I share
Yeah,
my birthday with Sunidhi ma'am. That is
you
super
yeah
good.
you do, you do,
I
you
didn't
do,
remember
and
that thing
also
while talking to
you
you.
you share your birthday with Sunidhi and Pakistan.
That though I have been hearing since when I was a young one, but it's okay. Your fans have been
Of course,
speaking
it's
कि that
okay.
उनको आपकी chemistry with नेहा बहुत अच्छी लगी थी. तो
Thank you.
उनको कुछ देखने को मिलेगा in some song or something?
इंडियन गोवा बीच आप देख चुके हैं, इंडियन आइडल सीजन 11 आप देख चुके हैं, एंड ऑफ कोर्स सी लेट मी फर्स्ट क्लियर दैट दिस इज नॉट अ रियल लाइफ रोमांस, इट्स अ रियल लाइफ रोमांस. जैसे कि
Yes.
हम देखते हैं कि शाहरुख सर और काजोल सर अलग अलग फिल्मों में एक दूसरे को रोमांस करते हैं, लेकिन
Kajol ma'am.
हाँ जी. So I said that Shahrukh sir and Kajol ma'am, they romance each other in
You
different
गलती
films.
से said Kajol sir.
Oh shit, Shahrukh sir and Kajol ma'am.
Yes.
You know, Shahrukh sir is married to Gauri ma'am, and Kajol ma'am is married to Ajay sir. They're both living happy lives. They have their own families. But when it comes to work, they are a couple. So similarly, me and Neha and our on-screen romance will continue not just this year, but next year and for years to come.
Okay. So lastly, जो fans पूछ रहे हैं वो ये पूछ रहे हैं कि is there any chance that we can find Aditya ever being a part of Big Boss, and also if you could tell what kind of a partner are you looking for?
Big Boss, I don't think so, yeah. I'll tell you the main reason. I mean, it's a great show, and it's a really, really popular show. But unfortunately, I am not at that place in life where I can dedicate 3 or 4 entire months to a show. Because it's not like कि हम हफ्ते में 3 या 5 दिन शूट कर रहे हैं और हम 2-3 दिन कुछ और कर सकते हैं. If that was the case, I could have considered it.
Yeah.
But with everything else that's going on in life, you've seen that in the last 3 years, I've worked on almost 9 or 10 reality shows on television back to back. उसके साथ साथ मैं live concerts करता हूँ. हर साल मैं कम से कम 50-60 live concerts करता हूँ all over India and the world. And I have my own studio where I'm making music. I'm producing my own music videos. Along with Touchwood, this year, few composers have given me the opportunity to do playback in Bollywood films as well. So मे बी 10-12 साल पहले मैं कर सकता था, बट उस वक्त मुझे बुलाया नहीं, और अब जब मुझे बुलाते हैं तब मेरे पास समय नहीं है. सो आई विश कलर्स एंड बिग बॉस ऑल द बेस्ट. एंड कलर्स के साथ आई थिंक बिग बॉस के अलावा बाकी सारे शोज मैं कर चुका हूँ और आगे भी हम काम करते रहेंगे. बट बिग बॉस looks difficult now. And what was your second question? I'm sorry.
That what kind of a partner are you looking out in your life?
What kind of a partner? Somebody who can tolerate me and my madness, I think,
Okay.
because I'm a little bit crack. थोड़ा सा पागल हूँ मैं. On a serious note, I'm looking for, I would want to spend the rest of my life with a woman who is my best friend.
Okay.
That's what's most
That's
important.
quite
क्योंकि
a simple and a sober reply to it, I would say. Okay.
या बिकॉज दोस्ती में आप बहुत सारी चीजें बोल सकते हैं एक दूसरे को,
Exactly.
कर सकते हैं. और आई थिंक बिकॉज लाइफ इज सो लॉन्ग, eventually whoever spends the rest of their lives with each other, they have to be good friends at some point. So I would like it कि हम day one से पहले दोस्ती रखें, और फिर प्यार व्यार तो चलता ही रहेगा. It'll
That's a
keep happening,
sweet.
but
That's a sweet definition.
companionship is very important.
ओके, लास्ट में सिर्फ फैंस भी पूछ रहे हैं कि सारेगामा रिटर्न हो रहा है, सो विल दे गेट टू सी यू इन दैट वन, एंड आल्सो कोई एक गाना, चाहे आप अपना अब पहले जो सबसे फर्स्ट सॉन्ग आपने बताया कि आपका था 25 इयर्स हो गए हैं,
जी
वही उनके लिए
जी.
गा दीजिए अलविदा करने के लिए.
ओके, सो अनफॉर्चुनेटली जब सारेगामापा शुरू हुआ था, तब इंडियन आइडल was still on air, and I understand that people don't really know a lot about contracts, but channels are very possessive, and there are these contract systems. So it ऐसा होता है कि अगर आप किसी एक चैनल के लिए काम कर रहे हो या किसी एक रियलिटी शो पे काम कर रहे हो, there's something called a breathing period. तो एक शो से दूसरे शो पे आप जो उड़ी मारते हैं, उसके बीच में 1 से 2 महीने का समय होना चाहिए, वरना आप वो नहीं कर सकते. एंड ऑब्वियसली इट्स ये बिल्कुल लाजमी है, बिकॉज दे आर पेइंग यू सो मच मनी to
यस.
to be a part of these shows. We make every year we make crores and crores of rupees thanks to these reality shows, and not just me, like all the judges and everybody, the channel. But what I'm saying is that the stakes are really high. ये 500,000 10,000 रुपए की बात नहीं होती. It's a matter of crores. A reality show is consists of multiple crore rupees. So it's only obvious that they want a correct kind of branding and placement. Unfortunately, Saregama and me, we had our final season about, I think, a year and a half ago.
Yeah.
A year and a half ago, and I worked on I think 7 or 8 seasons of Saregama, and then I felt like it's time for me to broaden my horizons or expand my wings. And now I'm hosting Indian Idol, which was the most popular season of Indian Idol in the past, I don't know how many years.
Yes.
It surpassed all the TRPs and ratings, and I'm very happy with the team and with the team of Indian Idol. So you will definitely be seeing me on the next season of Idol. That being said, my father is a judge on Saregama, so हम दोनों shows से पैसे कमा रहे हैं basically.
हम बैलेंस कर रहे हैं दोनों.
Yes, and
Lastly, अगर एक
I
गाना.
will. Yeah, so let me sing you a few lines of my new single, मैं डूबा रहूं.
Sure, please.
So here goes. आसमां छोड़ के, ये जमीन छोड़ के, तेरे मेरे सिवा सब यहीं छोड़ के, कयामत तलक बस दोनों रहे, ये सिफारिश मैं रब से करूं. मैं डूबा रहूं तेरे प्यार में, मैं डूबा रहूं, मैं डूबा रहूं तेरे प्यार में, मैं डूबा रहूं.
That was beautiful. And somebody wrote
Thank
कि
you.
आदित्य सर आपको देखते ही मैंने अपनी सिंगिंग की जर्नी स्टार्ट करी है because you are my idol. So
Thank you
that
so
is a
much, man.
very
That's so sweet
good
of you.
compliment, I'm sure.
Thank you, bhai. Thank you, and thank you all of you for supporting me and my all my work when it comes to be it television or music or films or my live shows. आप हमेशा मुझे इतना support करते हैं, and thank you to Telly Chakkar for giving me the opportunity to talk to my fans and you and share my new single
I
with you
will.
guys. And जिन्होंने मेरा नया म्यूजिक वीडियो नहीं देखा है, प्लीज यूट्यूब पे जाएं और just search for मैं डूबा रहूं और प्लीज इस म्यूजिक वीडियो को देखें. एंड आई वुड आल्सो लाइक टू ऐड दैट इस म्यूजिक वीडियो और इस गाने से जितने भी पैसे मैं कमाऊंगा वो सारे प्रोसीड्स जो हैं दे आर गोइंग टू द पीएम केयर्स फंड for the battle
Wow.
against COVID. So we are not just being entertained by the song and video, but we are doing something significant along with it. And also, I understand that शायद मेरा गाना पैसे ना कमाए because there's so much competition. So we have a minimum cap of 1 lakh that we are dedicating to the PM Cares Fund, whether my video and song make money or not, and anything above and beyond will all also go to the PM Cares Fund.
Well, that's a very, very sweet gesture, Aditya. Thank you so much. And
Thank you.
please stay safe, stay home. And I'll meet you maybe soon as the lockdown is done.
Yes, definitely.
Thank
It'll
you
be
so
nice
much.
to see you in person again.
Well, guys, that was Aditya Narayan for you. And this is me, Vishakha Pandit. And I'll be signing off now.